Hey guys, what's going on? I'm Devolution here. So today is my time to do a unbox use Xiaomi Redmi 4A. And so without further ado, let's get started. So here's the packaging. Very nice, very small size of packaging. So now let's open it. Oh, a sponge, and wow, a Xiaomi Redmi 4A. As you can see, 2GB of RAM, 16GB of storage, gold color. The condition is really nice. You can see it has a small scratch. It is used unit, but the condition, maybe it's a refurbished. Maybe the previous owner has been replaced the housing before, but I'm not sure. But it's like brand new phone. I can say it's like 97.10 for the condition. Wow, especially for the front part, it is dirty. Wow, very clean condition. So here's the phone. Let's see what's inside. Nothing else. Bubble wrap. Very nice box. So this is the phone. It has the siblings, Redmi 5A and Redmi 6A. Very nice. So I just finished the setup for the phone. So now let's open the phone. This is the lock screen. This is the home screen. Navigation panel. Wow. Let's see the version. Let's go to setting, slide it down. About, as you can see, it runs the old version, which is Android 6.0.1 Marshmallow and MIUI 8 Global Beta version. Wow, this is beta version. So maybe I should stay it for now, because I really like the old MIUI. This is the old design of navigation panel. Also the lock screen sound. Very nice. So the phone working well. I've checked everything. No problem at all. Even this phone is really light compared to my Redmi 5A. A bit lighter than my Redmi 5A. But the phone is really nice. Wow. So happy, got another new phone. And so before I end this video, you can give a feedback for unboxing the Xiaomi Redmi 4A in 2023. And so that's all for me. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on next video. Goodbye and have a nice day.